Alright, next. Lagay mo sa gitna yung budgeted. Alright. So you have here budgeted overhead. Alright. Okay? Para maintindihan niyo, no? Again, ito walang problema. Actual and applied. Alright. And also you have your budgeted overhead. Lagay mo dito, based on standard hours or standard quantity. Based on standard hours. Alright. Yan. Or, yung iba sa iba ay quantity. Alright. Paano yun, sir? Alright. Ano yung two-way? Ang two-way is basically the actual. Sa baba na lang, ha? Okay? Ang two-way is basically the actual overhead. Alright? Minus the budgeted overhead based on the... Okay? Yan. Anong tawag dito? Ito yung tinatawag budget variance. Alright? So, budget variance. Yan. Alright. Sa ibang libro, yan ay tinatawag na controllable variance. Alright. Then, after that, ito naman dalawa, if you minus this, okay? If you minus this 2, alright, that's basically now your volume variance. Yan. Okay? Okay? So basically, if you minus this, actual overhead based on the fixed and variable, you minus budgeted overhead based on the standard hours and quantity, that's basically the budget variance. If you minus, and also, budgeted overhead, okay? And you minus that with the applied factory overhead, that's basically your volume variance. The volume variance here, ito yung tinatawag na two-way. Alright? Two-way variance na. Alright. Sir, ano naman yung three-way? Alright. What do you mean of the three-way variance? Alright. The three-way here, di ba sabi ko, you have your budgeted overhead. So, lagay mo na dito yung based on, okay, based on actual. Alright, based on actual hours or based on the quantity. Alright. If you minus then actual overhead, okay? So, three-way tayo, ha? And basically, you minus this, dalawa. Alright. Anong tawag dito? Okay? Ito na yung tinatawag na overhead spending variance. Overhead spending variance. Alright, sa ibang libro, tawag dito ay controllable variance. Alright, itong budget variance. And after that, if you minus based on actual hours, budgeted overhead based on actual hours, and you have your based on standard hours, ano tawag dito? Ito na yung tinatawag na overhead efficiency. Okay? Overhead efficiency variance. Alright. Yan. Next. If you minus this, malamang ito ay volume variance pa din. Alright, mamaya, sabihin ako. Alright. So, 1, 2, and 3. It is now your three-way variance. Alright, medyo madugulang talaga. No? Medyo madugulang ang competition natin in terms of one-way, two-way, three-way. So, ano yung four-way? Yung four-way is basically same formula lang. Kaya lang gagawin natin is we will separate the fixed and the variable. Meaning, you will get only the variable overhead for this and you will compare that with the variable overhead also with this budgeted overhead. No? Kaya nga ang tawag dito sa four-way ay kaya siya apat, no? Kasi you have variable overhead spending and you have your fixed overhead spending. Fixed to, ha? Not factory overhead. Meaning, 1, 2. Kaya four-way. 1 and 2. And also, get only the variable overhead this, no? Based on standard hours. Ito yung tinatawag na volume or variable overhead efficiency. Alright. Efficiency variance. Alright. Okay. Mamaya. Ito yung pakakaiba ng three-way and four-way. Ito, volume variance.